guys, Jagger here today. Today I'm going to make a video on my birds and their cage setup. So we'll start off with my cockatoo. So this is Sparky, my cockatoo, as you've known from previous videos. I actually got him a new cage. As you can see, I got that for my birthday. But I have to lock it with wire because he breaks out of it. He's a lot more talking now. Hello. But yeah, that's his cage. I've got a little foraging treat up there that he has to get. He's got his vegetable bowl and his pellet bowls and water bowl. He's got a few perches and yeah, so that's Sparky's cage. We'll go for my finches. I've recently just got 2 zebra finches, a male and a female. That's them there. One's Louie, one's Freya. So they've got a nest box and they're making a nest, as you can see up in there, just using all that grass and put some leaves in there for them and that. So they're my zebra finches. Now onto these birds. So I recently just had a fox break in and it ate, well, I'm not sure if it ate, but my baby budgie Blueberry and my baby budgie Lennox got out, and the mum, but we got them back. We could not find the mum, but we got these 2 back. But so yeah, I've recently just had 5 baby budgies. The mum bred them with the dad, the green one up the back. So this one is Blueberry, my oldest baby budgie. This one is Lennox, my second oldest baby budgie. This one is Snowflake, my 3rd oldest baby budgie. And I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but I think it's a bit too dark. But there's 2 baby budgies up in there. One's called Daffodil, and God, my sister named them. I forgot. I'll think of them, but yeah. So they're my baby budgies, and that's the blue mum at the back. That's my new mum. She's a female. I've got my 2 cockatiels. Yeah, I've just recently done a cage change. I've changed the cage up and I made a big treat there. And they've got a swing and yeah. So, Snowflake just come out today, so it's just learning to fly. There's its food bowls. I think the multicoloured one's name starts with L. I forgot. Oh God, I forgot. Can you see him there? That's the multicoloured one. He's got sort of a pretty olive colour, no, not olive, just a blue chest and a yellow head. And I've had really bad mice problems. But yeah, so they're my cockatiels, Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, so Blueberry's really tame. It sits on my finger. Oh, well done, Snowflake. You flew. Yeah, well, so I just put bricks up so foxes can't get in. But yeah, the babies are still making feeding noises, as you can hear. But yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Donna Wade and Angel Frank. They're two people that, well, I know Angel Frank has at least subscribed to me, so I'd like to give a shout out to Angel Frank. Yeah, and there's a bit of seed on the ground that they like mixed or spilt, and there's Sparky having some tucker. Yeah, they're getting a bit bigger, the budgies. God, I really can't remember this budgie's name. I think it starts with L. You can just watch those babies have some fun. Well, I think. Yeah, I'll come around here. Oh, guys, I just remembered it. Its name's Jinx. Sorry, it wasn't Elle. Its name's Jinx. So, yeah, that's Jinx, the multicoloured one. I've just got a bucket of seed in there. And so, yeah. That's my bird's cage too, I think. And I'm getting a new aviary soon, just because this one isn't real sturdy, and I'll make a video on that. So, yeah, make sure you subscribe. See ya.